Hi there, welcome to the unboxing of Jenny Greenhouse. The brand for this one is GuDoQi. And I've been working with Row Life for all the other kits that I've done. This is the first time I'm doing GuDoQi. For Row Life, I've done the greenhouse already, so this is very similar to it. Here is the first bag I'm taking out. It's got the flowers and all the, wow, I've got cutouts. Normally I have to cut it out myself. And then this one has all the beads and moss and looked like there's some wires in there. Here's the foundation for the greenhouse. And then there's the plastic, supposedly the glass for the greenhouse. And then we have the manual. This kit comes with scissors and tweezers. Those are nice, and ruler too. The Row Life ones don't come with those. So here are all the other cutouts that I'm going to have to do. Alright, so just make sure your area is all nice and clean so that you could put those. I don't know if you have your own system. My system is where I tape it up. I'll show you. So we're going to look at the manual real quick. I'm going to flip through. It shows you everything that the kit comes with. And so here you could see how it gives pretty detailed of how to make the plants and stuff. Yeah. And that is the first thing they want us to make. So that's what I pretty much put it at. And I clip it up so that it's easy for me to just look at, so I don't have to flip through. And then here's my setup. I tape up all of those pieces up on the wall, and then I start cutting, I pull it off and cut off what I need. And so there you go. I am ready to get started.